Someone is in love. When you look at my eyes, someone is in love. My body don't shake you. No clouds from love.
He's the one I love. Everything I am and everything I stand for wants to be with him. And I am tired of lying to him or hiding my feelings away from him because he's a commoner.
So you have finally rejected Prince Afam's proposal all because of that boy?
I love him. I don't know if I'm going to win, but I will fight this. I will obey my heart against all odds.
I've spent too much time and resources to back out now because of that thing. Whatever I want, I get. Now if I, Prince Afame Funawanganga, do not marry you, no man under the sun born by a woman will.
What have I done to deserve this kind of punishment? Am I a slave? I am not a slave. I am a freeborn of this kingdom. Why am I being treated like this?
Anything happens to him, I'll kill you and I'll kill myself.
That guy is an obstruction. A distraction to your relationship with her. And if that distraction is not taken away, she will never ever take you seriously.
I am giving you 24 hours to bring him back and alive. Else I will make sure that you go through what his mother is going through. I promise you, Father, I will take my life.
How could he have followed you into your bedroom in your father's house? Does that not show you that he is a common criminal, unintelligent, a vagabond?
I don't want to see you stab your foot into that palace again. Mama, not anymore.
As we're talking, somebody is about to die.
Okay, you will let the person die.
I'm the only son of my mother.
Shut up! Shut up there! Please.